Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about quicksort. Quicksort is one type of external sorting. As we said in the before tutorial that external sorting is used for sorting large amount of elements. So quicksort is also used for dealing with large amount of data. So in quicksort, what thing we do? First thing, we need to choose a pivot element. Pivot element, we can choose either as first element in the array or the middle element or the ending element or any element in the array. For example, let's take data as 10, 6, 20, 1, 50, 7, 9, 25, 4, 18. So this is an array of elements, 10 elements, large amount of data. So we can take this first element as pivot element. We can take the first element as pivot element or last element as pivot element or the middle element as pivot element or any element in the array. So let's take this as pivot element, starting element as pivot element, and next to pivot element will be I. Let's name it as I, and last element will be J. And we need to increment this I till the I is greater than pivot element. And we need to decrement J. I increment will go like this, J decrement will go like this. That is from right to left. I increment will go from left to right. We'll increment the I if I is greater than pivot element. If I is greater than pivot element. We decrement J if J is less than pivot element, till J is less than pivot element. And we have many conditions. When we do this problem, we will get to know those conditions. One more thing, if I greater than pivot element, we need to stop that I in that position. Now let us see, I is 6. Is 6 greater than 10? No. Now so increment I. If see, I equal to 6, pivot element equal to 10. Pivot element equal to 10. 6 greater than 10? No. Now I equal to 20, pivot element equal to 10. Is 20 greater than 10? Yes. Now we need to stop I. We need to stop this I. That is, it increments, it stays here. Now we need to check for J. J is equal to 18, pivot element equal to 10. J less than pivot element, 18 less than 10? No. 18 is not less than 10. Now, so we decrement it. Now J equal to 4, pivot element equal to 10. Is 4 less than 10? Yes. So now stop J. I will stop here, J will stop here. And I is incremented, J is decremented. But did this I cross this J or this J cross this I? No. So both are not crossed. So what we need to do is, we need to swap I comma J. If they both crosses each other, then we need to swap them with pivot element. So, but they are not crossing each other. So we need to swap I and j. So 4 will be here, 20 will be here. So now this look like 10, 6, 4, 1, 50, 7, 9, 25, 20, 18. This is pivot element, and now I we place here and j we place here. That is, j is decremented, I is incremented over here. Now pivot element is 10. Again we start from here. I equal to 1. 1 greater than 10? No. Again I equal to 50. We increment this I. 50 greater than 10? Yes. So we stop I. So we stop I. We go with j. J is here, right? So j, 25 is less than 10? No. Again j incremented. 9 less than 10? Yes. So stop j. Still they are not crossed each other. So we need to swap I and j. So this 50 comes here, this 9 comes here. Now how it look like? 10, 6, 4, 1, here 9, 7, 50 goes here, 25, 20, 18. Now I is here, j is here, but after swapping I and j are both at same position. Now we need to check again. Pivot element equal to 10, I equal to 7. Is 7 greater than 10? No. Again we need to increment I goes here. 50 greater than 10? Yes. We need to stop I there itself. Now again we need to go for j. J equal to 7. 7 less than pivot element? Yes. Now the 7 is less than pivot element. So now we stop j. As I and j are crossed and j is less than pivot element, we need to swap this j and this pivot element. Swap j with pivot element. So now how it looks like? 7 comes here, 10 goes here. 7, 6, 4, 1, 9, 10, 50, 25, 20, 18. So in this way we can do. First thing, we need to check I is greater than pivot element or not. If I is greater than pivot element, we stop I and we go with j. J is less than pivot element, we stop j. If the both are not crossed, we swap I and j. If both are crossed and here j is less than this, condition is yes. So we swap, as they are crossed, we swap this j with pivot element. We read this here. So after swapping with the pivot element, iteration 1 is completed. So now what we need to do, we need to check this. As we swapped this pivot element, we need to check the right elements and we need to check the left elements. Right elements are higher than this 10. We need to check whether the right elements are greater than this element. The left elements are smaller to this element. So 10, 50 is greater than 10, 25 is greater than 10, 20 is greater than 10, 18 is greater than 10. 9 is smaller to 10, 1 less than 10, 4 is less than 10, 6 is less than 10, 7 is less than 10. So now we need to divide this left part into 1, right part into 1. 7, 6, 4, 1, 9. 7, 6, 4, 1, 9. Seven, 6, 4, 1, 9. Now again we need to do the same process from the start how we did. Selecting the pivot element I, j, I incrementing, j decrementing, swapping and all those things. So next to the pivot element is I, last is j. So now I equal to 6, pivot element equal to 7. 6 is greater than 7? No. Again I equal to 4, we increment this I. Is 4 greater than 7? No. We increment I again. I equal to 1 greater than 7? No. Now we increment this I. I equal to 9 greater than 7? Yes. So stop I. Stop I. Again J. J equal to 9 less than 7? No. J equal to 1 less than 7? Yes. And now J is less than pivot element and I and J are crossed. We need to swap pivot element with J. Now J is here, right? So we need to swap this 7 and 1. 1, 6, 4, 7, 9. 1, 6, 4, 7, 9. So now again we need to start. This is pivot element, this is I, this is J. After swapping the pivot element with J, again we need to take this as pivot element, this is I, this is J. We need to start from the beginning again. So pivot element equal to 1, 6 greater than 1. Yes. So we stop I. 9 less than 1. No. This is J equal to 9 less than 1. No. 7 is less than 1. No. 4 is less than 1. No. 6 is less than 1. No. 6 is less than 1. No. Now 1 is less than 1. No. But we reach it till end. And this J crossed this I. Now J will be here. As this J crossed I, we need to swap the pivot element with J. Swap pivot element with J. And the pivot element and J are 1 itself. So we need to take out the 1 separately. Take out the 1 separately and remaining elements are 6, 4, 7, 9. Take it as pivot element I, J, start from the beginning. I equal to 4 less than 6, greater than 6. No. I equal to 7 greater than 6. Yes. So stop I. Now J equal to 9 less than 6. No. J equal to 7 less than 6. No. Now J equal to 4 less than 6. Yes. J equal to 4 less than 6. Yes. So stop J. So I is here. J is here. So this J crossed I. So we need to swap this J with pivot element. So now it looked like this 4, 6, 7, 9. So now it is completely sorted. Now we take the second part, that is the higher one, 50, 25, 20, 18. 50, 25, 20, 18. This pivot element, this is I, this is J. I equal to 25 greater than 50? No. 20 greater than 50? No. 18 greater than 50? No. Nothing is greater than 50. So we check with J. J equal to 18 less than 50? Yes. Stop J. And we need to swap pivot element with J because I crossed the J. Swap pivot element with J. After swapping, how it look like? 18, 25, 20, 50. And remove this 18 as it is smaller than all these things. Take it out. And now do with 25, 20 and 50. This is pivot. This is I. This is J. I equal to 20 greater than 25? No. 50 greater than 25? Yes. So stop I. So I will be here now. Now J equal to 50 less than 25? No. J equal to 20 less than 25? Yes. Now J is here. So as I crossed J, we need to swap J and pivot element. Now how it look like? 20, 25, 50. Now it is completely sorted. So after clubbing all these things, what we get? 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, 18, 20, 25, 50. All are sorted. So in the quick sort, what we do is, first thing, we need to take the pivot element as the starting element or ending element or any mid element or any other element in the array. Let's take the first element, and next to pivot element will be I, and last element will be J. We need to check whether the I is greater than pivot element. If I is greater than pivot element, we need to stop I, and we need to check whether J is less than pivot element. If J is less than pivot element, stop J. And if I and J are not crossed, we need to swap I and J. If I and J are crossed, we need to swap with pivot element. So we swapped here, and here we swapped with pivot element as I crossed J. And in the first here iteration 1 is completed. That is, after 10 these are higher elements. Before 10 these are smaller elements to 10. Again we divide this, and again the same process we perform for this thing, and we sort these elements. Again the same process will perform for this, and we sort these elements, and at last we club this. So we will get complete sorted array. In this way, using quick sort, we can sort the large amounts of data. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and share. In my next tutorial, we are going to learn about heap sort, max heap and minimum heap sorts. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to notify about the new videos which we upload. Thank you.